kapistolero, nandito si Sir Ernie ng Armscore at meron siyang bagong rifle na i-feature sa atin. Sige, Sir Ernie, take it away.
Maganda nga po sir. So, welcome po sa Armscore. So, I have here right now is the new rifle. Actually, hindi naman na siya talagang new rifle. So, this is a MiG-22 na dinagdagan namin ng bagong mga designs. We just changed up some handguard, the backstocks, and we added some flip-up sights para mas maging AR platform talaga siya. So, I invited you guys to check this out, this rifle, to one of our stores nationwide. So, come on, check this guys. It's a good rifle.
Sir, ilalabas mo yan, ilalabas niyo pala yan sa DSAS.
Yeah, this is already out on the iPad. So, let's check the gun on the show. Okay.
Yan. O, mga kapistolero, yung mga nabanggit ko na first firearm na 22. Baka gusto po ninyo, yan. Sige Sir Ernie, maraming salamat sa picture. Ha? Okay.